Thank you to the brand for sponsoring this video. When you get this unboxed, you want to wash out your ice basket and your scoop. Also, with a mild detergent, go ahead and wash out the inside of the ice maker too. You'll give that a super good rinse, and then on the bottom of the machine, you'll pull the plug and drain the water. Dry it off with a soft cloth, find a spot, and set it up. Go ahead and fill the machine all the way up to max, and press the machine for about 5 seconds to get it to go into clean mode. You'll want to do this before you use any ice out of the machine the first time. You'll see water start to flow through and you know that clean cycle is on. When it finishes, go ahead and remove the top by lifting gently, and you'll repeat the process that you did earlier. Open up that drain on the bottom and give it a thorough rinse. And with a soft cloth, wipe everything dry one more time. Reapply your top and refill your machine with water. Drop in that ice bucket, press the button, and prepare for your first batch of ice. You'll want to discard that first batch of ice. I used mine to ice down some blueberries. Those are going to be nice and cold after being on that ice. Y'all, it only takes about 30 minutes to get some chewable Nugget ice. It's great for adult beverages or just a nice cold glass of water. All right, y'all, so this has been running for about 30 minutes and I am loving the size of this ice. Check that out. Some beautiful looking ice there.